Hi! It is true that many of us deep down wish that Google's virtual glasses turned into reality and a useful concept. But after its majestic failure, we couldn't care less about it anymore. However, by the dawn of virtual reality and its gigantic and ridiculous glasses, the dead rose from the grave and here we are. Hello there my fellow nerd, it's your bitter friend here, yet with another sarcastic story. AR is a virtual world with a hint of the true one. I mean, it's not the world of artificial reality and neither the world of normal reality. It's kind of an ability inside the artificial mind of humanoids. Awesome, right? And the coolest part is, by using visualization of data, it adds images and videos on the glass and provides extra information for the user. This information is based on useful concepts such as GPS, social media, directions and suggestions, and their ultimate goal is to make daily life easier and more delightful. To do so, these gadgets need to interact with your near environment, and they use sensors to do it. AR came a long way to become what it is right now, and there is a good chance you already know it, just in a different form. Remember Pokemon Go? Just a couple years back, people literally died while trying to reach higher level in this game. This game single-handedly was responsible to reduce the average weight of Caucasian people all around the globe. The idea was simple. You use your smartphone as the device to add extra information to your surroundings by looking through your phone's camera. It was some kind of treasure hunt, and by following the pattern and clues, you get a Pokemon, a tiny visual monster based on the anime. Using camera to add images and videos to your surroundings? You guessed it, AR, congrats, you won a Pokemon. Another example is using scannable codes in the magazines or on the product. In simplest form, these codes will lead to a web page related to its original preference. In more interesting ones, you can use your phone to add extra layers of visualization to original objects. Companies like Apple and Xiaomi use this feature for packages of their higher-end products. Development of such system can be done for well-established platforms, such as Android and iOS, or on more AR-specific platforms like Unity. The development can be done using the concept of kits, which is near the term for a package of software and hardware. Let me name some of them. Vuforia, which supports both Android and iOS and even Unity. AR Lab, which alongside development is capable of designing apps using 3D engine. Droid AR, which is completely open source but is limited to be used only on Android. Looking the usage of AR right now, it looks like mostly entertainment industry is the main consumer of AR platforms. However, fingers crossed, I hope in the near future we see a more serious face of AR in daily usage. I put my money in medicine for AR's next destination. Thanks for being with me and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.